Ballet pirouettes exercise for the use of the head. Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 syllabus course. Jacklyn Dougherty. Count 1 to 2 introduction, hold the position. Count 3 to 4 demi-plie. Count 1 to 2 sautés in first position. Count 3 releve in first, lifting arms through second to place on the shoulder. Count 4 hold. Count 5 to 7 quick spin to the right with head spot. Count 8 demi-plie in first, lowering arms to fifth en basse. Count 9 to 16, repeat the same side. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.